Hi guys, you are watching Hyper IT Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can integrate your Excel Microsoft 365 Excel with the ChatGPT or AI, so that you can automate your Excel. You can automatically create your formulas, and it will be pretty much simple, and it will ease your life and save your time. So let's start the video. So I have the latest Microsoft Office 365, and I have already opened the Excel in front of you. If you didn't watch my earlier video that how we can install the Microsoft 365 genuine and legal Office, no subscription, no crack is required. If how you can install, how you can do that, so I have already created on video. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can check out that, and you can install the Office if you don't have the genuine Office. So let's start. So first of all, if you want to integrate the AI with your Excel, you have to click onto the inside the home, and you have to click onto the add-ons. Then once you click onto the add-on, then click more. Then you have to type AI formula. Search for that. You will get first AI edited formula editor. You have to click add, then you have to apply, agree, then continue, then wait for a second. So it has been installed, and once you installed it, add-on edit formula will appear here. You can see that. Now you have to click on that. Now you click onto the AI chatbot Copilot. Once you click on that, it will ask you to sign in. If you don't sign in, means you will not work properly. So you have to sign in, and no need to purchase anything, just you need to sign in. Although they are also providing you subscription, but I think free plan is more than enough. And just you have to click onto the sign in. You can put your Google ID. Let's say I'm going to put my Google ID. I'm going to log in it through the Google. So my Google ID is already attached over there at the background. So it has been logged in successfully, and maybe in your case it will ask for the email ID and password. So you have to give it to them, and that's it. So my account is ready to use. Now I have to click onto the new chat. Then I have to click here. Then I'm going to do in front of you a simple calculation, and you can perform more complex configuration. The idea behind this video is to give you awareness that how you can use the AI along with the Microsoft 365, and you can avail the benefit. So I'm doing a very simple thing in front of you, and you can do different types of analysis. You can do you can copy and paste the data inside the chatbot, and you can make the formulas, you can take the explanation, you can do a lot of things with the AI. So I'm going to do a simple thing in front of you so that you can get the idea. So 1 2, I need a formula so that I can get the sum of 1 and 2, means the sum of 3 at the column 3 A3. So I'm going to here, I'm going just I have to click here and type A1 and A2. That's it. So it giving me the formulas. So you can see that this is a simple formula. I have to copy it, and I have to paste it here, and you can see that is the magic. So you can create more complex formulas. You can copy and paste the entire Excel sheet data inside the chatbot, and you can ask different types of questions that which sale was up on which day. Different type of question you can ask from this chatbot. You can create your own formulas, more complex formulas. So I have given a simple idea, and you can create more complex formulas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends, and take care.